Amy Bright. I'm a firefighter paramedic with Safer. Today we're going to do a PowerPoint on portable fire extinguishers. Today we're going to learn about the 5 different types of extinguishers, what to do in case of a fire, how to use a fire extinguisher, and to determine what type of fire extinguisher to use in each type of fire. There's 5 types of fire extinguishers. We have Class A, which is combustibles, Class B, which is liquids, Class C, which is electrical, Class D is metals, and Class K is for cooking. So if you come across a fire, the first thing we want to do is our acronym called RACE. So it's Rescue, Alarm, Confine, and Extinguish. First, you're going to rescue anybody in the immediate danger of the fire. You're going to alarm, so you're going to call 911 or pull the fire alarm. You're going to confine the area, which would be closing doors to make sure the fire doesn't spread. And then you're going to extinguish the fire with your fire extinguisher, if it's possible. So in order to extinguish a fire, we use the PASS acronym, and that's pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. So you're going to pull the pin off of the fire extinguisher. You're going to aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. You're going to stand about 6 to 10 feet away. We're going to squeeze the lever, which is then going to get set off the whatever's in the fire extinguisher, and you're going to sweep from side to side until the fire is extinguished completely. You may need to move a little bit forward as the fire dies down with the fire extinguisher in order to get aimed at the base of the fire. So type A fire extinguisher extinguishes ordinary combustibles. So that's fires that commonly use flammable materials as their fire source. So that would be things like wood, fabric, paper, trash, and plastics, things that you could throw in a fire pit and it would just start on fire fairly easily. The type of fire extinguisher that you would see would have an A with a triangle on it. And most of the time what's in these cylinders is water, but they do come in various different types in order to extinguish it. Type B is going to extinguish flammable liquids, which is a liquid with a flash point of under 100 degrees. So essentially what it's saying is it's a liquid that will start on fire with a very little amount of heat. So that'd be like gasoline, acetone, or alcohols. And you will see on the fire extinguisher, it will be a square, red square with the letter B in it. And then here's just kind of some different things. And most of the time the extinguishing agent is some sort of multi-purpose dry chemical inside of that. Type C is meant for live electrical equipment. So that's any sort of electrical panel, motors, wiring, something that has electricity running through it. And you will see that with a C and a blue circle. And most of the time it's some sort of dry powder. And this is what it would look like. Type D fire extinguishers, you're going to see a star with a D in it, that's yellow. So this is combustible metals, so metals that essentially burn under heat. And there's normally some sort of dry powder in these, and it definitely varies. The 2 big metals that start on fire are magnesium and aluminum under little heat. The last type is a type K, which is your cooking equipment. So you're talking oils and fats. As here you see there's a kitchen. And a lot of times they just say it's a kitchen, type K kitchen. So you will find a black hexagon with a K in it, and most of the time it's some sort of wet chemical that's inside of this, and like I said, it's oils and fats. Today we talked about the 5 different types of fire extinguishers, what to do in case of a fire, how to use it, and determine what type of extinguisher to use. Thank you very much.